Hello students, these are the next three exercises from the chapter number 18 after completion of the explanation of figures, compound words and intersections. These are the exercises number 138, 139 and 140. Let's start with exercise number 138 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. The enclosed bill received this morning with your shipment is returned because you have listed two items which have not been received. Will you kindly send us your bill for only the items received and another bill for the remainder of the shipment when it is dispatched? Yesterday we received your check in settlement of your December bill. We did not notice when we forwarded it to our bank that the two amounts on the check did not agree. One is for £39 and the other is for £38, and our bank has just called our attention to the error. Your bank will not cash the check, of course, unless the amounts agree. May we please have another check? Gentlemen, we received this morning your check for £300 and also your post-dated check for £200. This arrangement for the settlement of your account is satisfactory. We have also received your order, but inasmuch as the balance of £200 will not be paid until a month hence, we do not think you should expect us to extend additional credit for another £125, the amount of your present order, until the old debt is fully paid. We suggest, therefore, that you permit us to forward a draft for the £125 to the National Bank and Trust Company of your city, covering the amount of this shipment. Very truly yours. Gentlemen, if you do not need all the goods ordered now, why not let us send those items which you need for your immediate requirements and forward your check covering the amount of those items? We shall be very glad to give our immediate attention to any part of the order that you instruct us to send on this basis, and we hope that within a month or two your account will be in such a condition that we can add further charges covering future orders. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 139 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. There are over 2 million motor trucks today transporting annually about 1800 million tons of freight, including almost 200 million tons of farm produce. Over $20 billion is invested in public utilities in the United States. Of this total, over $5 billion is invested in power and light companies. Yesterday, Professor Jackson, the distinguished economist, aroused a great deal of attention by his article on the savings bank question, which is now receiving so much attention from the various political party leaders. The National Bank of Commerce has finally completed its arrangements for taking over the business of the Hamilton Trust Company with its total deposits of more than £8 million. 7,000 stockholders of the General Construction Company will share in the dividends just declared by the directors. The dividends are $40,000 to the preferred and $2,500,000 to the common stockholders. The Journal of Commerce for the current month publishes an article on the proposed merger of several large steel and iron companies. This article calls attention to the fact that government officials in the Department of Trade and Commerce have approved the merger upon the recommendation of the Board of Railway Commissioners. Professor Thomas of the Treasury Department of the Canadian government states that the believes there will be no opposition from either of the political parties to the proposed income tax rates. Next is exercise number 140 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Belgium is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Within an area of a little more than 11,500 square miles is confined a population of 9,100,000. The mainland and adjacent islands of Japan cover an area nearly 183,000 square miles and have 92,400,000 inhabitants. The British Commonwealth of Nations has a population of 629 million spread over nearly 15 million square miles. We enclose an analysis of the financial position of several mortgage and insurance companies whose stocks we believe are worth your attention. While the income from them is not large, we feel nevertheless that the stocks are quite attractive. You will note that in every case the current dividends are earned many times over, and inasmuch as the amounts set aside for reserves are becoming larger each year, it is probable that higher dividends will shortly be paid to the stockholders. We should welcome an opportunity of serving you, and careful and prompt attention will be given to any orders you may wish to place. Very truly yours. Dear sir, the pavement in this street has become broken in several places, thereby causing considerable inconvenience to the people in this neighborhood. Will you kindly have someone from your department inspect the damage and have the necessary repairs made? We trust that you will give this matter your earliest attention. Very truly yours. So these are the next 3 exercises from the chapter number 18. This is the last chapter of this book. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. शेयर, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.